Technicians, we're proud folk. We like to tip our hat on doing things that others can't, and hearing words like basic, it can be a trigger word. Like I'm a little beyond that, but it's really not. So we have a basic technical boot camp that used to be called basic technician boot camp, and that was one of the first things that I suggested when I arrived was we should change the name because it is a little misleading. It's not geared towards basic technicians, it's geared towards basic technical knowledge. So here at Clark, we have specifics that we want our technicians to know. Yes, there's, specifics of the industry, but there's things that we do that we want our technicians to do different, and that's how they're going to stand out above the rest of the crowd. My first boot camp here, we had a seasoned mechanic. He still called himself a mechanic, but we're all technicians nowadays. But he came in, he said, I had an open mind and I wanted to see what it was all about. And he just sat there in the middle of the class. We were barely halfway through, and he says, I forgot that I forgot this stuff. It's just good as a refresher, taking it down to the basics. If you're not willing to just take a step back and learn, you're kind of making yourself not necessarily not valuable, but you're making yourself a little bit apprehensive to learning new things, and that's the last thing we want to do. In this industry, forklifts have evolved so much in the last 10 years that the basics aren't necessarily the basics anymore. So it's time to get back to that, refresh on it, and then just build from there.